And so boldly there have been some transformation, significant transformation. When Christ is being formed in a person, the Bible prescribes, or the Bible outlines 19 things that it signifies or ignites fruit bearing. I will speak to you about only one today. And that particular signal or fruit bearing Christian, number one is truth. Obia was Christ about anymore. Ya no kurenti ni mono. Enya real. No. Ain't real. Enya real. You see, and this when when Pilato had audience by hosting Christ in his presence, and Jesus had the audience or the attention of the nation, Pilato asked him, I have been longing to see you so that you can be able to speak some of the words that you speak. You can be able to speak something. Jesus looked at him and said, well, you have spoken the truth. Pilato asked, what is the truth? Good question. What is the truth? The truth personified, truth incarnated, truth in manifestation. The descriptive definition of truth is standing before Pilate, and he couldn't see it. Same thing, truth comes to you as a believer on a daily basis, and I can boldly tell you, we can't even see truth. Yet we can't even see the truth. And so the Bible made it in so many models of scriptures. John chapter 8 and verse number 32. You will know the truth, and the truth will liberate. It will emancipate.